Today I am going to explain NET question paper 2nd June 2011 subject English. Question number 1. Little Nan is a character in Dickens' novel A. Hard Times, B. Great Expectation, C. Oliver Twist, D. The Old Custody Shop. So Little Nell is a character in The Old Custody Shop, which is written by Charles Dickinson. So answer is D. The Old Custody Shop. So question number 2. Who among the following Indian writers in English has created identifiable imagined local? So options are A. Mulk Rajanan, B. Rajarao, C. R. K. Narayan, D. Anita Desai. So answer is R. K. Narayan. He has created named Malgudi. Question number 3. Who among the following is not formalistic critic? A. Ellen Tate, B. Clint Brook, C. Stanley Fish, D. William Emerson. So answer is C. Stanley Fish. He is not formalistic critic. Question number 4. The rhyme scheme of Spenserian sonnet is options are A. ABAB BCBC CD CD EE, B. ABAB CD CD EF EF GG, C. ABBA CD DC EF FE GG, D. ABBA ABBA CD CD. So answer is ABAB CD CD EF EF GG GG. That is Spenserian sonnet. Question number 5. Who among the following Marolian characters in Consumed by Greed? Options are A. Barbarous, B. Tamburlaine, C. Dr. Faustus, D. Mephistopheles. So answer is A. Barbarous. He is consumed by greed. Question number 6. The plane of Arthurian stories has influenced the composition of Tennyson's A. In Memoriam, B. Idylls, C. Maud, D. Locksley Hall. So answer is B. Idylls. Question number 7. There are two lists given below. Match the author's list. 1. With their nationality in list. 2nd. By choosing the right option against the code. So Patrick White is belong to the Australia. Nadine Gordimer belong to New Zealand. South Africa. Margaret Atwood belong to Canada and Carrie Hume belong to New Zealand. So option is C. 1324 3142. I'll repeat once again. Patrick White belong to Australia. Nadine Gordimer belong to South Africa. Margaret Atwood belong to Canada and the Carrie Hume belong to New Zealand. So option is C. Question number 8. A Shakespearean sonnet has the following rhyme scheme: A. AB BA AB BA CD CD CD, B. AB AB BC BC CD CD EE, C. AB AB CD CD EF EF GG, D. AB BA AB BA CD CD EE. So answer is AB AB CD CD EF EF GG. That is third C. Question number 9. The future of poetry is immense because in a poetry, our race, as time goes on, will find ever surer and surer stay. This claim for poetry is made in A. Arnold's The Studies of Poetry, B. Shelley's A Defense of Poetry, C. Sidney's An Apology for Poetry, D. Eliot of Poetry and the Poets. So these lines are occurred in Arnold's The Study of Poetry. Question number 10. Which of the following is not about dystopia? So options are A. George Orwell's 1984, B. Aldous Huxley Brave New World, C. William Golding Lord of the Flies, D. R.M. Ballantyne The Coral Island. So the R.M. Ballantyne's The Coral Island is not a dystopian novel. All the remainings are dystopian. George Orwell's, Aldous Huxley's, William Golding's, all these are dystopian novels. Question number 11. Who among the following is not associated with the translation of the Bible? A. Miles Cowardley, B. William Tyndale, C. John Wycliffe, D. Thomas Brown. So Thomas Brown has not translated the Bible. So answer is Thomas Brown. All these are translated the Bible. Question number 12. Arrange the following stages in the sequence in which all Shakespeare and tragedy are structured. Use the code given below. So, options are A. Denouncement, second conflict, third exposition, fourth climax. So, first one is exposition, second is conflict, third is climax, and the fourth one is denouncement. So, answer is A. Exposition, conflict, climax, denouncement. Question number 13. The term curtal sonnet was coined by A. John Milton, B. William Shakespeare, C. Gerald Manley Hopkins, D. Matthew Ardmore. Answer is C. Gerald Manley Hopkins. The curtain sonnet was coined by Gerald Manley Hopkins. Question number 14. The author of pamphlet Short Views of Immortality and the Professions of the English Stage, which was written in 1698, was written by A. John Bunyan, B. Jeremy Collier, C. William Wycherley, D. John Vanbrugh. So answer is Jeremy Collier. Question number 15. Identify a play in the following list that is not written by Oscar Wilde. A. A Woman of No Importance. B. The Importance of Being Earnest. C. Saint and Sinners. D. An Ideal Husband. So Saint and Sinners, it is not written by Oscar Wilde. And Saint and Sinners, which is written by Henry Jones. Question number 16. Put the following novels by Charles Dickens in a sequel order with the help of the code. Options are A. 1. Great Expectation, 2nd. Hard Times, 3rd. Bleak House, 4th. A Tale of Two Cities. So answer is The Bleak House, then Hard Times, then A Tale of Two Cities, then A Great Expectation. Once again I'll repeat it. First one is Bleak House, second one is Hard Time, third one is A Tale of Two Cities, and the fourth one is Great Expectation. Question number 17. Thomas Keats, the Spanish tragedy, was influenced by. Options are A. Seneca, B. Tertullians, C. Virgil, D. Plautus. So the Thomas Keats Spanish tragedy was influenced by Seneca. Question number 18. 80's final published version Iliad's The Waste Land contains a total number of lines. A. 334 lines, B. 433 lines, C. 373 lines, D. 423 lines. So